This video demonstrates how to use the steering wheel in synchronous modeling. We will select the purple colored feature and demonstrate how to use the steering wheel to perform a synchronous move. Select Feature A. Click a steering wheel axis to move the feature in that direction. Press the Escape key anytime to terminate a move action. You can define the move distance by clicking, entering a value in the Value Edit box, or by selecting a key point. To change the steering wheel axis direction, click one of the knobs on the torus. You define a direction angle by holding the Shift key and clicking the primary knob. Or, you can enter the angle in the Value Edit box. To more easily observe the angular movement, we'll change to a front view. Click the axis to move the feature at a 45-degree angle. Clicking the steering wheel plane locks movement to that plane. Click the torus to rotate the feature. The axis of rotation is the normal steering wheel axis. As you move the cursor, you dynamically control the rotation angle. You can click to define an angle, or type a rotational angle, in the Value Edit box. Now, we'll use the steering wheel to position the feature at the corner of the block. Reposition the steering wheel to the corner of the feature. To set the move direction, click the primary knob and then select the key point at the corner of the block. On the steering wheel, click the axis to start the move and then click the block endpoint to complete the move. Now, we'll show how to reposition the steering wheel. First, click the steering wheel origin and drag it to a new location. The steering wheel orientation changes as it moves around edges and key points. As you move over an edge, the normal axis aligns with the edge. You can maintain the steering wheel orientation by pressing the Shift key while dragging to a new location. We will now position the feature to the midpoint of the edge on the block. We need to rotate the feature to get it in the desired orientation. Once the feature is oriented, you position the steering wheel origin at a midpoint on the feature edge. You then set the direction to point to the midpoint on the block edge. Click the direction axis and then move the cursor over midpoint on the block. When the edge midpoint highlights, click to complete the move operation. The 3D steering wheel is used to perform a synchronous feature move. You can change the orientation by clicking a cardinal point on the torus or by holding the Shift key and clicking the steering wheel plane. You can click an axis knob to define axis direction. You can use key points or enter an angular value to define the direction. Finally, click the torus to perform a rotational move. The rotation axis is the normal steering wheel axis.